Hello guitar players, welcome to the first lick of the week. Today we're going to be looking at an excerpt from King of Terrors by Symphony X. Let's hear the lick. Alright, so the first thing to point out is that we're going to start the lick on the third string. It's a descending phrase, starting with your tapping hand and then continuing in a legato with your left hand. So first you're going to tap on the 10th fret and you're going to release into the 7th fret. Once you feel comfortable with that, your left hand, all the fingers are going to be the 4th finger on the 7th fret, the 3rd finger on the 6th, and the 1st finger on the 4th fret. Okay? So basically you're going to be playing 10, 7, 6, and 4. 10, 7, 6, 4. So we're going to be playing 16th notes. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So be sure to get that pattern down first. After you play the 10th fret twice, the right hand is going to go from the 10th to the 14th fret, then the 13th, and then going to finish on the 11th. Okay, so 10, 10, 14, 13, and then 11. Sounds like this. Be careful when you're shifting your hand. You want to avoid that sound. Cool. So moving on, now we're going to the 13th fret. First finger on the 13th fret, second finger on the 14th, pinky on the 16th, and tapping on the 18th. And now we're going to change into sextuplet. So this means that we're going to be playing 6 notes in one single beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so now let's try to put these two together. It's going to sound something like this. And now you're going to repeat on the 6th string the same notes that we played up high on the 3rd fret. And bend that note at the end. Let's listen to all three put together. If you'd like to support my channel and get a PDF of today's lesson, please check out my Patreon page. The link is down below. If you like today's video, please remember to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy practicing!